And welcome back to Good Morning Maryland at 9 o'clock. April is Child Abuse Prevention Month, and Catholic Charities has two programs aimed at shielding young children from the horrors of abuse. Ellen Torres and Allison West from Catholic Charities join us this morning to talk about an upcoming event, the Sunshine Box Lunch, but also these other two programs you guys are currently involved with. This is something that there is no off time for you. This is a 12-month event.
Absolutely.
Explain the two programs you were with.
Well, I'm going to let Allison do that.
Sure. Well, the program, the benefit actually benefits the two programs, Illuminations and Child Safe, two programs of Catholic Charities of Baltimore. And Illuminations specifically is an awareness and education program, and it's based on artwork and communications that were provided by two victims of abuse.
And as I understand, one of them tells a remarkable story through his artwork of his experiences.
Absolutely, and you know, not unlike many victims, these boys were victimized by someone that they knew and trusted very much, and so it's very important that people hear these stories. And most of the audiences we provide the workshops for are in fact professionals, so for example law enforcement, social workers, mental health and health providers, as well as foster parents and other people who spend a lot of time working with either child victims or even adults who were victimized as children.
Now the second program? Child Safe.
Child Safe is really geared mostly towards parents, teachers, child care providers, grandparents, folks who really live and work with children daily. That program specifically provides online training. We have a free online training program which can be found at www.childsafeeducation.org for folks who want to know specifically more about child sexual victimization. We also offer workshops and activity books for parents to use with their children to talk to them about child sexual abuse.
Ellen, this is something that, I mean, it's certainly a very difficult topic to deal with and work with, and I'm sure you guys deal with it on a daily basis, which makes it even harder. The necessity of these programs has got to be heartbreaking.
It is very much so, and it stemmed out of the work that we did at St. Vincent's Center, which is now St. Vincent's Villa, in actually working with children who were the victims of child sexual abuse or physical abuse, and actually working with them on a day-to-day basis. We decided that it was time to start looking at prevention to hopefully stem some of these children having to come to us for services.
Now, the Sunshine Box Lunch, this event is something that raises both funds, monies, but also awareness.
Yes, absolutely. And
explain this, because this is a great opportunity.
It's a fun thing we started about 7 years ago with Honey Baked Ham when they were Heavenly Ham. So we like to think of them as our heavenly partners in this. And it's kind of a twofold thing that they do. For the month of April, anyone can go into the Honey Baked stores. There's 6 of them in the Baltimore area, and you can purchase a mobile for $1 and you get a $2 coupon for your next purchase. Or you can purchase one for $5 and you get a $10 purchase. So you give something and you get something back in return. Or you can sign up to do the Sunshine Box Lunches, where you can actually get a group of coworkers or friends together, purchase the Sunshine Boxes, and we will deliver orders of 15 or more. If you do less than that, we have a system in place for that as well. But you can go online. Our website is www.sunshinecampaign.org. Purchase the box lunches, come into the store, you get more information, or you can make actual online contributions as well.
And these monies, where do they go, Allison?
They go directly to these programs. They help us provide workshops, for example, for organizations and individuals that, due to budget cuts or other constraints, can't afford to pay for the workshops. They also support our free online training program, which people around the world are using. So very important causes. And
the message you would want to get out to everyone this morning, to encourage them to get involved in some way.
Yeah. The most important message would be, I mean, talk to your kids from an early age about child abuse and sexuality. And one of the problems that we have is this is such a taboo subject that people just don't talk about it. And a big part of Child Abuse Prevention Month is just to get people talking.
All right. Thank you so much for your time this morning. Again, it is the Sunshine Box Lunches. You can get involved. Heavenly Ham, no longer Heavenly Ham. It's
Honey Baked Ham.
Honey Baked Ham. Information is going to be at our website, abc2news.com. You can check that out around 11 o'clock this morning. Megan?